Are you looking for a pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones that sound and look great? Don't want to spend more than $100? If so, stay tuned because today we're going to be looking at SoundPeats budget-friendly wireless headphones. But first, the intro. Hey, what's going on everyone? John here from Tech on a Budget. Every week we look at innovative and unique tech products that will fit all types of budgets and see whether or not you should check them out. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click that bright red subscribe button as well as that notification bell. And you can also follow me on social media and Patreon where you can help support the channel as well as get access to exclusive content. Now that we got all of that out of the way, let's get into the review. So this is SoundPeats A1 Pro wireless headphones. Taking a look at what you'll get in the box, you'll find a travel bag, a 3.5mm headphone cable, a micro USB charging cable, and of course, the headphones. The first thing that stood out to me was the design as well as the overall build quality of the headphones. It's reminiscent of the Beats Solo in terms of size and has a sleek, low-key matte black design. It feels solid in the hand. It doesn't have that characteristically cheap plasticky feeling that you'd find in most budget headphones, like the original A1s that I reviewed way back at the beginning of this channel. Looking at the ear cups, they have an on-ear design. They're not your traditional ear cups in the sense that they're not actually cupped. This made me hesitant at first because I thought they'd be uncomfortable to wear, but I was pleasantly surprised. I wore these for hours and they felt just fine. Looking at the headband, they're adjustable and have metal hinges which will help with the durability. There's minimal padding, almost non-existent, but honestly still feels great on your head. It's a rubberized texture as opposed to that faux leathery feel on most headphones, and I actually prefer this because it's easier to clean and maintain. As for controls, you'll find them in the back of the right ear cup. You have a volume up button, which also acts as your skip forward button when held down. In the middle is your multi-function button. This is where you can play and pause your music, turn on the headphones, and put them into pairing mode. Lastly, you have your volume down button, which also acts as your skip backward button when held down. It's also worth mentioning that the micro USB port that's used for charging has a cover on it. This helps keep the headphones sweat-proof and makes them perfect for working out. So now the most important part, how do they sound? Well, these headphones sound ridiculously good. And not just for a pair of $30 headphones, but for headphones in general. These sound awesome. I honestly didn't expect much from the sound of these headphones because of the ear cup design and overall size. But when I first pressed that play button, blown away. These have a nice, full and rich sound and the bass on these are crazy good. It's just perfect. Not too overpowering, but definitely not subtle. The fact that these headphones are only $30 is ridiculous, because these could easily compete with a pair of headphones in the $100 to $200 range. Just as impressive is the battery life. It takes 2 hours to fully charge and this will get you 25 hours of listening time. With 25 hours, you don't have to worry about the headphones dying on you so quickly. And even if they did, they have a 3.5mm headphone jack so you can easily plug it into your phone or dongle.
Courage.
These headphones do so much right that it's hard to say anything negative about them, but if I had to give one con, it'd be the headband. It's not foldable like most headphones and only comes with this cloth bag to protect it. But if you can get past that, you definitely should check out these headphones. You can pick them up on Amazon for only $30 and at this price point, you can't go wrong. You don't need to spend over $100 for a name brand when these will sound just as good, if not better. And that's the end of the review guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, I want to take some time to talk about my Patreon. With Patreon, you can help support the channel by donating anywhere from $1 to $5 a month. Not only will you be helping me and supporting the channel, but you'll also get access to exclusive behind the scenes videos and extra clips. Plus, I'll list your name right over here so people will know that you proudly support the channel. If you're interested, the link to my Patreon page will be down below in the description. And as always, if you guys like this video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe right over here, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be alerted when I post new videos. Now I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a good one.